Hi, my name is Pirapat Kausaitum. I'm a collegian in Electrical Engineering Faculty in King Mongkut North Bangkok University. Today, I'm gonna present you the digital key lock passcode on the board system for my student number passcode 63011630181. Okay, first, like you see here, I'm gonna show you my state table assignment first. I'm gonna suggest you which each thing mean. Here is the alphabet that show which where is the state is, and you see right here A is the alphabet show that we call the state. It's gonna be state 1, and here 4 digits, that's 4 digits, that's gonna be 0 and 1, which one that will show the light on, and 0 that show when the light is off. The digits number is gonna show where the state is in the alphabet that I have taught you before, and where is the process is. Next, I'm gonna show you my vector table number. That's gonna show the clock and the state, that when the state is running, and you will see here this is the vector table number that show when my key lock is run correctly and the button is pressed correctly. You will see that the light is on in each stage correctly, but like it have two different tests that I'm gonna instruct you. That the next is when the button is when the system is resetting. You will see that if you press any button, it will go back to here. It will go back to state A. That is the digit that is 0 0 0 0, and the next is when you press the button incorrect. When you press the button wrong, like I have told you before, it's gonna go back to state A right before, when the digit is 0 0 0 0 on the same. Okay, next I'm gonna introduce my material and my instructing thing of my system board. Okay, here is my output digit output button, that when we press the button for the number, and here is my 3 processing unit, you see, and here is my left box, and here is my right box, and here is my button that's gonna show the state, and here is my output when the door is open and the date and the state and system is run correctly. Next, and like you will see, here is my front view of my board, and the next is my back view of my board. Okay, next I'm gonna test 3 things on my digital key lock passcode for digits of my passwords on the board. First, I'm gonna test to I'm gonna test the state that the password run correct and the door is open. Okay, in the state 1, state A, we wait for pressing 0, and you will see that the state is 0 0 0 0, and when I'm pressing the 0 button, it's gonna go to state B. that the in the state B is gonna be 0, 0, 0, 1. It's the state that we wait for releasing button 0, and when I'm releasing button 0, it's gonna go to state C. That is 0, 0, 1, 1. In the state C, we wait for pressing button 1. And if we pressing button 1, it's gonna go to state D. It's gonna be 0, 0, 1, 0. In a state D is the state that we wait for releasing button 1. And when releasing button 1, it's gonna go to state E. 0, 1, 1, 0. In the state E, we wait for pressing button X. And when we pressing button X, it's gonna go to state F. 0, 1, 1, 1. In state F, we wait for releasing button X. And if we releasing button X, it's gonna go to state G. It's gonna be 0, 1, 0, 1. In state B, we wait for pressing button 1. And when we pressing button 1, it's gonna go to state H. It's gonna be 0, 1, 0, 0. In the state H, we wait for releasing button 1. And when releasing button 1, it's gonna go to state I. That's gonna be the state that the door is open and the passcode is run correctly. You will see the right bar that shows the state that the door is open. Okay, got it. Next, I'm gonna test the resetting system of the circuit. If we press one of this button, the system gonna reset. Okay, in this case, I'm gonna pressing button 9, and you will see that the light bulb that show the current state is 0, 0, 0, 0. That is when it's not coming to any state. The system is resetting. Okay, next, I'm gonna show you when we pressing the wrong button and what the state's gonna be. Okay, first I'm gonna start with state A. That is 0, 0, 0, 0, like you see in the light bulb here. And when I'm going to state A and next to state B, that's we press 0 button. Okay, it's run on the state B. That is 0, 0, 0, 1 that we wait for releasing button B. Next, when I'm releasing button B, it's gonna go to state C. That is 0, 0, 1, 1. And you will see that the state is run correctly. But if I pressing the wrong button, okay, I'm gonna press this 7 button. And here you will see that the system, when I'm pressing the wrong button, is go back to state A. That is 0, 0, 0, 0. The system going back to state A right here. Okay. And this is my testing digital key lock passcodes on my board system. Thank you.